Tense, Part 1. Hey friends, how are you? And how are your studies going on? Well, I hope you remember me. I am Gia.
And I am Dodo, Gia's friend. Gia, I have to go to my friend's house.
Why, Dodo?
He is giving us party because he got full marks in tens.
Oh wow, tense, my favorite topic.
What is tens, by the way?
Tense is the time described by a verb. Tense is divided into 3 parts: present tense, past tense, and future tense. Present tense means a verb which refers to the present time. For example, I study, he goes, etc. Past tense, a verb which refers to the past time. For example, I studied, he went, etc. Future tense, a verb which refers to the future time. For example, I will study, he will go, etc. We will do present tense first. And Dodo, we have to do these tenses in detail.
Okay, Gia, let's start then.
Present tense is divided into 4 parts: simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and present perfect continuous tense. Simple present tense in affirmative sentences. So the formula for simple present tense is subject plus first form of verb along with s or es plus object. If the subject is in singular, that is he, she, it, or any name, then we have to add s or es along with the first form of verb. If the subject is in plural, that is I, we, you, they, then we do not have to add s or es along with the first form of verb. Examples for the affirmative sentences are: children play football in the evening. They go to park on Sundays. We read storybooks. In these sentences, the subjects children, they, and we are plural. So that's why the verb play, go, and read are without s or es. Further examples are: Ram goes to school on foot regularly. He drinks 8 glasses of water daily. She dances nicely. The dog barks loudly. In these sentences, the subjects Ram, he, she, and dog are singular. So that's why the verb goes, drinks, dances, and barks are with s or es. To know more about present tense, past tense, and future tense, subscribe Vaflecone.